Did you know that the global AI market is projected to reach over $500 billion by 2024? That's a huge opportunity for anyone looking to start their own AI business. Starting an AI business in 2024 is more than just a good idea. It's a necessity. The industry is growing at an incredible rate, and those who get in early are going to reap the biggest rewards. The question is, are you prepared to take the leap? One of the main reasons people are hesitant to start an AI business is because they think it's only for tech experts. But the truth is, AI is becoming more accessible every day. With the right tools and resources, anyone can get started, regardless of their technical background. The irony is that while AI is becoming more accessible, it's also becoming more in demand. Businesses are looking for ways to automate processes, improve efficiency, and gain a competitive edge. And that's exactly what AI can provide. So, if you're thinking about starting an AI business, the timing couldn't be better. When it comes to starting an AI business, one of the biggest challenges aspiring entrepreneurs face is funding. It's no secret that AI development can be expensive, especially when it comes to hiring talent and investing in infrastructure. However, there are ways to overcome this challenge, and we'll get into that later. Another major obstacle is technical expertise. Many people assume that you need a PhD in computer science to start an AI business, but that's just not true. What you need is a willingness to learn and adapt, as well as the ability to surround yourself with the right people. Market competition is another common challenge. With so many AI startups popping up left and right, it can be tough to stand out from the crowd. But the key is to find a niche or a unique value proposition that sets you apart from the rest. Finding the right talent can also be a struggle. You need people with the right skills and expertise to help you develop your AI solution, but it's not always easy to find those people. We'll talk about some strategies for finding and retaining top talent later on. In addition to these challenges, there are also regulatory hurdles to consider. AI is a rapidly evolving field, and governments are still trying to figure out how to regulate it. This can create uncertainty and unpredictability, which can be daunting for entrepreneurs. Cybersecurity is another major concern. As AI systems become more widespread, they also become more vulnerable to cyber threats. You need to make sure you have the right protocols in place to protect your business and your customers. Despite these challenges, many entrepreneurs are still drawn to the AI industry because of its vast potential. And it's not hard to see why. AI has the power to transform industries and improve people's lives in ways we never thought possible. So, how do you overcome these challenges and start a successful AI business? It all starts with market research. You need to understand your target market, their pain points, and how AI can solve their problems. The next step is to validate your idea. This means testing your concept with real customers and gathering feedback to refine your solution. This is a crucial step because it helps you avoid building something that nobody wants. Once you've validated your idea, it's time to build a prototype. This is where you start to bring your vision to life, and it's an exciting but also challenging phase. You need to make sure you have the right tools and resources to build a working prototype that meets your customers' needs. After you've built your prototype, you need to find the right team to help you scale your business. This includes hiring developers, designers, and other professionals who share your vision and are passionate about AI. As you start to build your team, you also need to think about your business model. How are you going to generate revenue? Are you going to offer a subscription-based service or a one-time licensing fee? These are important questions to answer as you scale your business. Another important aspect of starting an AI business is finding the right investors. You need people who believe in your vision and are willing to provide the funding you need to grow. As you navigate the ups and downs of starting an AI business, it's also important to stay focused on your core values and mission. This will help you make tough decisions and stay true to your vision, even when things get tough. I want to share with you a success story that illustrates the potential rewards of starting an AI business. One entrepreneur I know started a company that used AI to help farmers optimize their crop yields. Within a year, they were able to increase yields by 20% and reduce costs by 15%. The business took off, and they were able to expand to new markets and create new jobs. Stories like this are a reminder that starting an AI business is not just about making money, it's about creating real value and making a positive impact on people's lives. In this video, we've covered a lot of ground. We've talked about the challenges of starting an AI business, the essential steps for success, and the potential rewards of pursuing this path. If you're thinking about starting an AI business, I hope you found this video helpful. Remember, starting an AI business takes time, effort, and perseverance. But if you're willing to put in the work, the rewards can be immense. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. What do you think about starting an AI business? Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more entrepreneurial tips and insights.